Welcome to the Axie Infinity Axie Genetics Breakdown tutorial. In this guide, we will explore the world of Axie genetics, explaining the key concepts and providing practical examples to help you understand how to breed and build a strong team of Axies. First, let's start with the basics. In Axie Infinity, each Axie has a unique genetic makeup that determines its characteristics, such as its body parts, stats, and abilities. The genetic information is stored in the Axie's DNA, which is made up of 6 genes, each controlling a different aspect of the Axie's appearance and abilities. The 6 genes are eyes, ears, mouth, horn, back, and tail. Each gene has 3 possible alleles, or variations, which are denoted by the letters D, R, and M. The D allele is the dominant allele, the R allele is the recessive allele, and the M allele is the minor allele. When breeding 2 Axies, the offspring will inherit a combination of genes from its parents. The possible genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring will depend on the genotype of the parents. For example, if 2 Axies with the genotype DD for the I gene are bred, the offspring will also have the genotype DD and will express the dominant allele. To understand the genetics of Axie breeding, it's essential to know the different breeding mechanisms. The main mechanisms are dominant and recessive, where the dominant allele will always be expressed if an Axie has 1 copy of the dominant allele, and incomplete dominance, where the 2 alleles will blend together to create a new trait. Now, let's look at some practical examples. Suppose we want to breed an Axie with a specific I type. If we breed an Axie with the genotype DD for the I gene with an Axie with the genotype RR, the offspring will have the genotype DR and will express the dominant I type. Best practices for breeding Axies include understanding the genetic makeup of your Axies, selecting parents with the desired traits, and experimenting with different breeding combinations to create unique and powerful Axies. In conclusion, understanding Axie genetics is crucial for building a strong team of Axies. By grasping the key concepts of genetics, including genes, alleles, and breeding mechanisms, you can make informed decisions when breeding and building your team. Remember to always experiment and try new breeding combinations to create the most powerful Axies possible.